Oh, hi. I'm Max Mendez, Director of Choirs at North Idaho College, and I'm here to invite you to our annual Sounds of Christmas program happening on December 8th and 9th at Schuler Performing Arts Center on the North Idaho College campus. On those days, you're going to hear the North Idaho College Wind Symphony, Cardinal Chorale, and Chamber Singers. Who knows? You may even have a surprise visit from you-know-who. Tickets? You don't need no stinking tickets. This is a free event, so bring your whole family. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Don't forget Schuler Performing Arts Center at Boswell Hall. I'll see you next at
Sounds of Christmas!
Hi, Max.
That's Instructor Mendez.
Okay.